Abusian for Endra be a video be about Kofi Ghana and then Chrome for Starboy, Akoko GH, and a kill beat, Abusian. Na me nim say e bia Kofi Ghana on reply. Finally wa reply me. Na reply na wa reply me ni agyan kasa say me ankasa no. Se say me di ni wisdom. So what Magdali wisdom. Me no common sense ni eye Kofi Ghana. E na busua bi fa sha si. Se what ya say. Na ansa na e be sha say kra no. Nkofo bi kika nsem bi recently say eye Michael Jackson wawu. So what I say, a baba be almost a Michael Jackson will I just say, or more ye na de. Say Michael Jackson woo ye, Abusia for woo ye. In social aspect, the screen you saw. Michael Jackson is the same person as the person you see on the screen. Oh yeah. So what I say. Now, the entire because Michael Jackson woo ye no. Who the shasa we kakra. Awusia sasa we ya wohwe asa we e Michael Jackson asa na Michael Jackson one na painting no ho and why black until finally Michael Jackson is the same person as Evangelist Emmanuel Adai. Ni say Michael Jackson will live in United States of America. Finally also na also na Evangelist Emmanuel Adai which I say Michael Jackson unwuye one Evangelist Emmanuel Adai. That's what I say was say who say the same dance of Michael Jackson and I was saying Abusende beef near dope and na me expect say Starboy Akoko GH and your friend say kill beat omoto mu video be babonte but san crofo trend me nyahu mu video na Starboy na akwa no na no ya say ya wa boje say na ya nyansa ta wo yetip na nyansa wo nipati no say the common sense dey aka ho Abusia I am waiting to see say this guy will reply plus Kofi Ghana wa no de ne dia ba no me respond to ni nyina say what I say oh yeah Abusia for end video a very dope pangasa Kofi Ghana I receive video just say one wa brand me just Abusia me dwuna am interest na niente me betena ha no metimi kasa member hu se kasa ne content term enche me buy rapper na nyina security na ni Red Bull so onum we a Abusia so onya num Red Bull wi a oh yeah men dada o kasa wo mbre na Kofi Ghana na ni nye we a media chire ohun da Starboy wo hu Akoji H wo hu Kribi omunyina obie ho omani ye Kofi Ghana ne Starboy omoye common sense for no omani no enhye de hu na ade nti we ya media chiri obewusi ba pagya bebe obehu krampo no obeka say ye brush be de brush beti efi so omani onya wo common sense mo de hu ba to reason da busi ofo ye mo de ne ye konko tie video a Kofi Ghana e respond to me ndra video a me ye den me ye no
well we a quick answer bi a ye me ye ID ma Magdali me ko internet ne so say me so me ko he 1212 bi
okay Abusia say what tie nsema Kofi Ghana kan kakra wa say we a quick answer what the Magdali who is Magdali as you see here no ko internet ne so kwakwa hwehwe ne ma 1212 bi enoko hu video bi a me dese no Abusia de tie ni oboa internet no so no ko so kwakwa check out because me friend na won fa ana me test the message say Kofi me fra won fe twen me number me be expose so what do nim say nyeda ya me de ba kwato Magdali TV eyeda ya me sa video ba kwa ba kwato nti hono no ko so kwakwa hwe nsama me ka hono na ha say common sense hono omo ye very fast so what I say omo ye crook nti so kasa na so ya ye wo wisdom in the betima chire mu Abusia oba troke nsam na oba dwene ho a won ntase na okre ni osu na ode anwonwa ya ba besi nti Abusia for we the first part of Kofi Ghana what respond to me video me ye enra
na me koshi ya no say wa ye video bi a o dexe me ke say o hit me left and right na ke say me hu adekora party
one common sense for some America was say won hu adepote a wode ya me this in left and right obi a wa ba mahasa ba beta mesika 380 euros e de akọ na me this so wa fa mesika ko fa mesika fa bre me no wo say woni ma adepote a wa ye me this Abusia mo common sense for omusu ba no wa fa ma de a me kan wo say woni ma adepote a wa ye Abusia ye ntroso nti de Kofi Ghana kan ye
now Uka wasema uye video. Uko let me tell you something. Urafi ana me dika obi anu say me common sense no dey wo ha me use. Ade endim. me wa agenda adwin da ho me I'm trying to use it.
Ya muti nsema Kofi Ghana kai wa say on we common sense ni o using the common sense. He is intent to use it. And me kire wo say omo boss Abraham Ben Moshe kire say so be more bribe or ginedi. So what I say? Tineke say who use common sense so be more bribe or who say wudi a and not just you are using your common sense. The same thing that me kire say what be myself before misika. That means that what also use common sense. So who use common sense say our boss Abraham Ben Moshe kire say so obi more bribe ginedi a na me so misika da ho no afa. This means that you have use your common sense on me. That's why you took my money away. Abusia for someone to dey me kire na say no e na Kofi Ghana mum ti ase say no abusia ya trust the things na o kan.
What am say? And the bia koka say no person me o dem yo. And now papa na was Moshe was say why was o man bribe na maka say sika no na mfa ye no.
Mohu was say papa be a friend say Moshe say why was say o ma wonu Kofi Ghana bribe no waka say when the first sika no which rest common sense for they are really using their common sense, but if you don't have wisdom they will trick you because the entire make us the end of the video you'll get to understand what I'm talking about. What you say papa bi anase Abraham Ben Moshe na mo no bribe so one kase sika on a fire. So what did the children na say? Nature say Moshe and I kase sika no on kase wafa, but enya sa na me kan video but omo no mu use omo common sense they will say something and later on you will see that the thing has been tied them together and they cannot even move again. So I will catch this guy very easy just now. Let's continue, brother.
I don't want to know we common sense bi na use wo. Se o sika na ira bo modi na hwehwe die fa o sika no kwati ase me fa ho me fa hwe me and expose who be expose what give me evidence now you want to expose me.
Yeah, was say me sika ira me hwehwe and me so me say wo na wo bam ha after you left and my money got missing. So what to say, and I'm requesting this money from you and you are saying say umfa misike bia me nguzu na me hwe sika na wefa me no na what them na say me kwa adwuma ba me kwa adwuma ba the money is no more abusia for when ye RIP na sika no ya kase ya sika no nko na what them ha say abusia was say the dem say me excuse evidence be na mo me kire say wa ba ma ha anase e kire say sika no na fa fine we a good point am pan kasa ndra video me ka asem bi wo mu say abra obam ha say me say na ekokuru oso na be drive na me say no wahala you can drive abusia se mo hwe picture ye da sa video isu a bra okwakwofo car me say one be drive so I have to follow his back nti abra wo no no and me capture no so what I say so he don't know anything about this say me take a picture of him so bro for a bow energy drink they say and me nya no mu and e ma bro for san say me nom dia abusia and hwe ya French kura na America abusia nti me twa na picture ya wo hu say this screen so no eye bra wo no go to car na me dey and me try na sa picture but he don't know that I have this picture and he is there shout to say koka oh my god abusia
Abraham Moshe na America no Abraham Moshe wanu oye common sense ni o onu na ye leader what you say
Mote nsema Kofi Ghana kan wase Abraham Ben Moshe we common sense ni na wo omo boss but begin Kofi Ghana de kan ka asem bi say what it is as for the kan ho na hwe the last part na wo kan unto say
and now papa na was Moshe was say why was he o man bribe na maka say sika no na mfa ye no onu was na wo kan na Abraham Moshe na America no Abraham Moshe wanu oye common sense ni o onu na ye leader what you say me say no na Starboy ye nyina common sense kura na use o
French ni beka say diversa a different and enye once the end na wo claim say Abraham Ben Moshe is their boss one Starboy mo your common sense they are using their common sense and na mo boss Moshe ni so be more brabo ginedi obi a chewa ade anase obi ama ade say ya de we say ma anase yan kata asem so waje na so obi ade da ho na wonfa abusia ho mo nka no kore say so obi ade da ho a na wonfa so you use your common sense on me say because you are common sense member so what use your common sense for me so na misika da ho na wafa na me so me kire say wo ba ma ha wo ba ha say no be fa misika na wo de ede wo de koi wo so say no kwampa jabusia for sa ka ya wo gina ho eye me ka me use wa ha so what you say and ye kokuru no so on be drive na me try the picture because oba me ka say nye video and o ka kire me say wo no ho mfa no No, he said he has been planned. So what else? Because Odi can buy and then now come back Naija. Me country treat it. Me say me get say up a Brazilian head. But size go me the 200 because me tini my just say fuku do level bi na me dey akọ baby amba ye omuti no ma akọ twa. So what else? No more twim. Na my body say no so o ma twa no mu dey ye sa dey with omo ni atete no ha dey omo hyam. Aha. Na nka me dey me akọ me get e wo Christmas because Christmas ma bo ma dwen person e call Ghana. So what else? And the Kofi Ghana who side no say the one you scat 380 there. No wahala. Ti me call man no fast no time za scan. Nti sa ka wo ye me ka me dey use wa no. Nti sa ka no Kofi Ghana gina o twa picture. Me twa na sa picture no. Nti bi so ho say nye na okra say Kofi Ghana ba ha no ma ka wo ye me ka me use me bi o won so wo ko ho no ma. Wo wankasa wo drive a 15 good hours but so for train 10 to 12 hours no wa ba den wa ba bedru. So what I can tell the expose will be and will be an family. I know say the end of this week Kofi Ghana will cry because when he came here we did something. So what I say, then meaning tell me guys common sense of all or my mind just on monitor on the Starboy. I'm be waiting to see say if Starboy also come. I know say when Kofi Ghana took this money, he spent this money with Starboy. I know for anything there what track a credit and send them a GH any qubit. And I know that this guy also they also enjoy that man 380 euros. So what I say, and the mechanics and mechanics say Kofi Ghana start to respond all of their videos. So what I say, have we seen make us respond to me the camera and anymore. Abuso for near to me who the omo patch rampo. Jabusian for way and the wahala video about bifa common sense for omudi Abraham Ben Moshe they use their common sense. And their leader told them that if someone give you bribe, take and chop. So what I say, first can lady and as a ginedi Abusian. Then when the wahala, I know said this guy will also bring some videos, and I know for real I will stand one man stand. I will conquer all of them. Four people. I know that I will friend them. I said, do a business and I said, if you are not there, meet you with I know my passport. And this is all I said. If you know something a little bit about these four guys, Kofi Ghana, Starboy, Ako GH, and Qubit. Man guy, just contact me on the comment section. Say you did my number to support me. So what I sent me the WhatsApp number back to ourselves. Or comment say you have any kwana di efa this guys ho na fa say me sa what I say o de say me ya na me so me da ba bon me da back me ho anya say me nkwan say god this guy their commons really deep. If not say I have wisdom I cannot stand with this guy, but because of wisdom I will manage. Because for guys common sense it's not easy. So what I say, if you have any info and I say intro about these guys. So what I say, no I comment to a video and I say, hey, be open my number. My number better. So what is no your video? Come on. Oh, they are sending me. I will send them that tax me media. No matter faces angle because common sense for they are a bit trending too much. Or more trendy. I use common sense on people and kasa. What means I for? I know what thing. And a talk one of these guys on open. A talk one. Tell for this is today's beef which Kofi Ghana and his crew want to start with McDaily. As you can see, McDaily, I'm not small boy. So what is that? But you say we go a check Kofi Ghana. Oh my God! Tell for me, we say you go papa. You better share. That must